Look, here is my virtual card in the Google Pay wallet. And I use it quite a lot now. For example, look, 115, an expense of 115 at a bar, 20 at another bar, 56 at another cafe. That is to say, I use the Trade Republic virtual card to pay for this type of expenses. Expenses in bars, restaurants, etc. How to link, like I have, my Trade Republic to the wallet, as we've seen here? Well, it's very simple. First, we need to know the details of our Trade Republic card. So we are going to log into our Trade Republic account here. Once we are logged in, we go to our profile up here on the right. And here our Trade Republic card appears. The only thing we have to do is click there, enter the PIN. And now we see, well, you're not seeing it because obviously the information is personal. But the data, if you click here, it tells you that the card number has been copied. And you can also copy the code. So we copy it somehow. Okay, we don't memorize it, but we copy it. For example, the card number. And we remember these two pieces of information, for instance. And now we go back, okay, to our wallet. And here I already have it added. What you would need to do is click here on add card. Here's the first option, payment card, okay? Payment card. Here we would click on new credit card or debit card. We wait for it to load. Now yours is in black. And here we would need to select the option at the very bottom where it says enter the details manually. And once we click there, the fields to fill in the card details will appear. The card details we just saw in Trade Republic. We go down to the bottom, click save, and that's it. And done. And now we have the card added in Google Pay as in this case. Well, thank you very much for watching the video. Give it a like if you enjoyed it or if it was helpful. Comment if you have any questions because it might be the case. Perhaps some of you might find it complicated, but that's all. Give it a like, subscribe, and see you. Goodbye.